The COP26 conference was aimed at discussing how countries can curb the ongoing concern of the ever-increasing average global temperature. The conference looked at how to limit global temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius to prevent catastrophic damage caused by global warming. The Environmental Commissioner, Timotheus Mufeti, highlighted a number of combative measures raised ranging from phasing out fossil fuel subsidies and funding for developing nations to phasing out coal power.
The coal has been identified through the scientific research that has been done as one of the major contributor to the carbon. And at the COP there's been a call. And that's why we are saying this COP has been one of the successful, because there is a mention of fossil fuel, there is a mention of oil and gas, there is a mention of coal, and I think the COP has made a milestone to mention that there was a need, or there was a call to be more stronger. That's why the initial language was calling to phase out completely. But because of big economies, big countries who heavily depend, a compromise have to be reached.
He emphasized that Namibia agreed to the adoption of the Glasgow Climate Pact, which include phasing out the use of coal.
PAC is the final agreed in terms of what is the new route that the world or the countries should take into addressing this problem. And all parties, including Namibia, we have signed that PAC. And that PAC outlined the new actions that need to be taken moving forward. So it's really, really important, as we have mentioned. The PAC agreed to double the funding. By 2025, we need to see the promised $1 billion annum funding doubled. We are talking about now phasing down fossil fuel, particularly coal.
At an individual level, people are encouraged to stop cutting down trees and instead plant more trees and to use limited resources such as water sparingly. Luciangi Findaka, NBC News, Windhoek.